Hello, Sam Owens here, and we're going to assemble this. It's a foldable fitness trampoline for adults, and it's made by BCAN. And this is the user manual. It comes in a package, packed really well, and I'm going to show you how to assemble the unit. Now, there's some barcodes. There's some video on how to set this up. I'm going to show you a little different way than the instructions call for. It calls for 2 people to open this up and to store it, fold it back up to store it. But I don't have anyone that would be capable of holding it down. So what I'm going to do is use the couch, which I cannot pick this up, so it's equal to a person kneeling on it. I've already done it one time, and it works just great. So if you have a good heavy couch that has a clearance under there, and I'll show you, all you got to do is put it about 6 inches underneath to hold it securely, and you'll see how it will work. And you could do it with one person. All right, now, when you get it out of the box and you see this red, that's the side you want up. And this is you're gonna grab, this is the hinge part, and you're gonna lay it on the floor just like that. So you can just put this down, and I'm going to open this up like this. And this is the way it should be. And if you're using another person, the instructions show pulling this up and the other person kneeling down and holding this side down. So these little places here are where the feet are going to attack. There's 4 of them. So this is the bottom of the trampoline. Okay, and what you're going to do is you're going to slide this under far enough. Okay, and I know that the couch is not going to lift up. I've already tried it. I showed you I cannot really lift it up, so the couch is not going to move. But what it's going to allow me to do is, and to keep this pushed under there, I can just take my foot or take my hand, and it'll just go right down there. See, that held it. And one person would be holding that down. Okay, I decided I would work out a solution for folding this back up if you ever wanted to store it. And I've come up with a way that will work just fine using the couch again. This is a 2x6 I happen to have, which will just slide under there. And the reason being that I want that is to keep it from slamming when I open it up just by myself. Now, I just slide it in far enough and then pull up on this. I'm going to pull it up like this, and there you go. It makes a snap down, but just a little bit, so that will do it. Now, I can do the same thing, opening it up. I just push down, and there we go. So that will be a system you can use. If you've got some help, just go ahead and use them. Okay, first thing you do is take all of these covers off. That's a thread right there, and this is going to screw into there. There's threads in here. But the thing is, this is the bottom, and so this is going to be on the bottom, and it goes through here like that. And these are the things that are going to secure that for adjustment and everything. And also this hole is going to line up for there. So you have to pick this up and you screw this down just like that. And just lift up, and the tension will be off at some point, and it'll just screw right in real easy. And you make it tight as you can get it. And this will turn right here. Now you can take this off later if you need to adjust for balance, and or if if it's not touching all of these, you can put a washer in there and make it level by taking this off. Okay, now we've got to get a screw, this right here, and it tells you D and E, and you get a little tool right here, and you get one of these, and this goes in here like this, just like that. And then this is going to go in there like this, and it curves, and now you line these up, and it should just go right in there. And you can put this in here to make it easier to twist, and then lift the pressure off, and it will screw in. Okay. Now, there's no adjustment. Wait, let's see. I think there is. Yeah, there's a certain amount of adjustment right there. I'm going to go all the way so that this is going to be on the ground. So I'm going to tighten this up. Okay. And then these two, and there's going to be another one on the other side next to the hinge, the other rod like that. Okay, now these go. Wow. And you just put these in here like this and tighten them down, and this should be higher. Tighten them down. And there's two more for the other side. So we'll now just go to the other side and put it on just like that. Hey, I didn't see that, but this is what you're looking for. And there's one there and one here. And so the handle's not in the center, it's toward one end. So that's it. So now I have to take this off. So that'll be just a regular short one that'll go on there. This is where you want to put the handle. This is for the handle. Okay, and again, you slide this in, and then this is going to go up here like this, and you just kind of hold it in place, and it should start screwing in. Just kind of leave it loose so that it'll screw in easy. Don't put pressure on this or it'll bind it a little bit. Okay, there. And now we get, sorry for my back, but we get these two. And now you put it in like that. And now this goes in. And it'd be good to stick this in there and line it into the hole. And it should just go right in. Make sure this fits into shape is correct. And later you're going to make final adjustments to make it level. I don't know what that's going to be right now. I'm just tightening it up. But you can move this up and down, and you can put spacers in between these. So, okay, and now we got that. Now we're going to put the other feet on, and they just screw in. This one goes right here. Okay, this one will go here. Well, you gotta look and get them straight. And don't try to tighten with this. Tighten onto the metal. Okay, the pipe. Okay. Tight. And I got one more. Okay, and that's good. Go right in here. This holds the adjustment right here, these two, that you can move this whole thing up and down by loosening that and these, and they'll adjust. I'm just going to tighten everything up. Okay. Now, I believe we can flip it over and we can see how this is going to be. Aha. Okay. There. All right, see, this is going to be the handle. We got these two down rods right here, and we got the cross rod. Okay, I see that there is a left and a right of these main rails that go up. And what you have to do to see which one is correct, this hole has to line up with these. So, and it should be pointed for the arm to be headed that way. So this one is going to be correct. And then the other one will fit over there. So that's the way I've got to do it. And individually, screw these down. Okay, because then I can line them up. Right there. Yes. Okay. And then I line this one up. Same way. And they line up easy this way. Okay. Well, you gotta twist this until it goes, until it's lined up. Then it will work. Now, it only goes one way, so these holes have to line up down here, and I think this is the way you're going to have to do it. There we go. And you see, this is the one we want. My error on trying to put this in first. Okay, and that's why they have the pin there to align it. Okay. There it went. Okay, I'm just going to get it a little bit and now line this up. Okay, that's the reason. So do these first and then this will line up. You won't be able to get it the other way. All right. Okay. This is Gail, and this is her birthday present.
Happy birthday
Okay.
to me.
All right. She's going to mount the bounce exerciser,
Okay.
trampoline. Okay. Hold on
Explain
and
that she
step
doesn't
on.
see. She doesn't see.
Okay. She doesn't see, so there.
This is tricky.
Step on.
So I can
Okay. Now line yourself up. So she's not able to see this, so this is the handle is going to be really good for her. Okay, she's feeling it out so she knows what's going on. And now bounce a little bit.
I can kind of feel when I'm in the center.
Yeah, you're right in the center, right there. And so kind of give one leg a little bit more and exercise each one. There you go.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I'm so shaky.
Well, a little bit at a time. So she's doing good. Let's give her a hand. Way to go, Gail.
Go Gail.
Okay, give it a real good bounce and see how you like it. Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay, now so keep within that range, and I think you'll be okay. And you always hold on to this, getting
Oh
on
my
and
gosh,
off.
I'm holding on very tight.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, that's fun.
All right.
Let's see how far back I go. Okay.
Okay, and forward. So you won't go too much further.
No.
You're right in the center right now.
Mhm.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, now let's see you dismount.
Dismount. Well,
Now
I'm
slide
gonna,
down to the, yeah.
I'll do it. I'm
Okay.
gonna work my way over here till I feel the edge.
Well, don't step there,
Okay.
because this springs.
And I'll
Step off.
okay.
There you go.
And I can hold on down here.
Right, and you're ready to go. Okay, that's the exercise trampoline that she's going to be using
Oh,
to
that's-
gain some exercise in the house.
Thank you, kids. This is a gift from all my children for my birthday. And,
Okay, and I put it together, and
it's
the
gonna-
instructions are written so that you can do it. But I think my video will help you greatly because of this left and right. That's the only thing that may be a little challenge, and also installing the handle into each one of the supporting arms first, and then put them in and put these in. Okay, I want to thank you very much for watching my video.
Thank you. Bye-bye.